babes, welcome to another vlog. We are in the US of A. So yesterday me and Helena traveled to Asheville, North Carolina, which I'm super excited about because, to be honest, it's really not a location I knew much about, but when they reached out for me to come here, I started doing some research and it's actually quite exciting. I feel like I'm gonna gain like 200 pounds here because, as in 200 pounds in weight, because the food is looking insane. Like, we're talking biscuits, grits. What's that thing that you wanted to try? Oh, biscuits. We got lots of biscuits, and they're not UK biscuits, not rich teas, babes. This is very different over here. So I'm very excited. Today is day one. I'm gonna tidy up the room a bit and give you a bit of a room tour because the hotel we're staying in is really nice. We've got 3 separate hotels this trip, so lots to share. And then we're going on a food tour and we're gonna walk around town. And we need to go to T-Mobile and get some SIM cards. We might go to Walmart. So maybe I'll take you to Walmart because I feel like that's a really different experience for British people. Yeah, so let's get the diet started, my babes. So we've got 2 double beds, one for me and Helena. Then we have this like cute, like desky area with a widescreen TV. And then we have this chaise lounge. And then we have a view of outside. So like this is like the downtown area. So you can see all the little downtowny stuff. We don't really have any amenities like in the fridge or anything, but we have like where you can see we've put some of our stuff away in here. So we've got like shelving and stuff. Obviously we have a lot of luggage, so it's quite difficult. All this really cute stuff from the Visit Asheville team. They put this little card here and like a cute note, and like all this stuff is from local brands. A lot of them are black owned as well. I just love the extra effort and the detail. And the staff at the hotel left me a card as well, and like this cute chocolate. So I'm just really feeling the Southern hospitality. Oh my god, it's so nice. Okay, so breakfast has arrived. So I have these potatoes. This is apparently a speciality around these parts. Some poached egg, American style bacon. You guys know I'm not really an American style bacon girl, but we'll see. Some sausage, like it's very different, like slices. Fresh fruits. Helena got an omelette. What's in your omelette?
Meat.
And some potatoes. Okay, I'm gonna try this bacon. It's American style. I don't normally have American style. I don't really like American style bacon because it's too crunchy, but we'll see.
That was definitely from crunchy.
It's good. It's just like, it's like eating crisps, like bacon crisps. These are home fries, so like a special potato. Let's see. They're nice. Definitely need ketchup.
Yeah, home fries, and it always gives me so much.
They give me wedge vibes, but smaller. Like wedges, but smaller. Let's try it.
It's just like roast, it's like potatoes in the air fryer, basically.
Yeah. Good. Alright, let's try the sausage. The first time I came to America, I said to this girl that I wanted pepperoni pizza, and she was like,
yeah.
I want the do you want the sausage?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, it's different. It's nice, but it just doesn't taste like, the texture is different to sausage, to like a normal UK sausage. It's like, I don't know what to compare it to. It's more like a burger. It's much more like a burger, actually. So how was yours?
Wasn't feeling it.
You wasn't feeling it? What don't you like?
The peppers are not for me.
It's not pepper, babe.
Too much potato.
Oh dear.
How much you messing with me? How much you messing with me? How much you messing with me?
Okay guys, so our first proper stop of the day is a food tour, and we have a local foodie with us. This is Stu, guys. He's already eating because it's so good, and we're about to try it. We're actually going, is it 8 different places we're trying? We're trying 8 different cuisines today, so I'm very excited. Helena's getting prepared for her dishes. Wait, what was that face?
It's a little sweet,
Yeah.
and it's got like sesame seeds and stuff. on the
Lovely.
outside.
And the ribby.
But it's so sweet.
Is it good?
Very sweet.
Oh wow. I wasn't expecting that. It's so sweet. So we've got an egg, and is this collard greens, you
Collard
see?
greens, yeah.
Collard greens and grits.
Collard greens. You have to say it like that.
Collard
otherwise it doesn't make sense. Collard greens.
I've never had grits before. I always see it in movies. I've always wanted to try this. So I'm quite excited. Anticipation. It's not bad actually. It's just not what I expected at all. I don't know how to put my finger on it. It's something I've had.
There's a lot of it.
Yeah, it's definitely something I've tasted before. It kind of reminds me of a risotto, but in like the way it's like bitty and wet. Because I want to try this cake before we run.
And how was the Danish?
Yeah, this was good.
Oh, that is good.
Yeah.
That is so good. Okay guys, so we're at Manicomio, and this is, which means chaos.
Madhouse.
It means madhouse in Italian. I'm having pizza. It's going to be the best pizza here in Asheville, so oh, very good.
New York style from a real New Yorker.
Oh,
Yeah.
this is good.
It's really good.
This is very good. So guys, our next stop is, we are at, sorry, let me get this right, White Duck Taco Shop. And they are very popular here because they have really interesting tacos. And we're having a pork belly and a prawn, but they've got loads of like really interesting things on them. Things I've probably never put on anything. And we also have a local sangria. Oh, that's really nice. I'm going in with the pork belly first. Ooh. Mmm. Really tasty. It tastes really good. This is the prawn. Wait, I need to wait a minute. Definitely enough. Lots and lots of food. So we're at a place called Sovereign Remedies, and we're about to have fried green tomatoes. Now, if you're like me and you just watch a lot of TV about America, you would have heard of fried green tomatoes. But if you're not from America, you would have never had them, or from the South, I guess. So let me show you what we got. So, fried green tomatoes. This is like cheese foam, and this is like onion thing. It's like mapled onion. Yeah, I don't like onion, but I'm gonna try this bit. Right, so the first thing I'm trying is the fried green tomato, and oh my god, I'm actually shooketh about how nice this is. Oh right. Tangy and crispy. Oh, at the same time. This is actually, the food today is really surprising me. This is so good. So we have a prawn dish here, and then we have quail. I've never had quail before, so this should be interesting. I'm gonna try it. Oh yeah, that's good. It's not what I was expecting. I don't know what I was expecting, but I don't know, it's good. Thank you so much. So this is the pork belly, guys, that he was just talking about. So the quail, I've never had quail before. Oh, that's tasty.
Very nice.
Yeah. Quaily. Yeah, love that. So we're currently at Rhubarb, which is the sister restaurant for Rue, which we went a few stops earlier. So this is our last food stop of the tour. However, it may be my favorite stop of the tour, I have to say. I've really enjoyed the food. All the little dishes have been so flavoursome, and stew just is something that really hit home. We love the familiar, but we love something different, and they just embody that. I love it.
This is really good.
So I'm gonna try the last dish that we have, which is pork belly. I'm not a massive pork belly gal, but I'm gonna give it a go. Ooh. It's very flavoursome. Oh no, that's really nice. You give this a try? Stu's gonna try. Stu needs to give it his seal of approval. What's your favourite dish on in this restaurant?
This restaurant, right here.
Oh, what was this again? This prawn?
This was the shrimp with red rice and duck ham shaved on top.
Yes.
Fucking delicious.
Yes. Stu approves.
Stu approved.
You should start adding that. Approved by Stu. Okay guys, so we are at the last stop of the tour. Stu has actually left us here because he was just like, I guess we're too wild for him, maybe. So we are having cocktails. This is our lovely new host, Chloe. Hi. She's teaching us all about all the different alcohols that are basically distilled here. And so we have a selection of gins and vodkas and a rum and some liqueurs, which is quite a lot because normally when I've been to other alcohol tastings, they normally stick to one alcohol. So I just feel like North Carolina's mission is for us to be drunk, really and truly. Yeah, oh, let's not even get into that one yet. But we're also, so basically, Chloe has never had a porn star martini, which if you're from
So
England,
a porn star
a porn star is a big deal. So Helena here, who knows how to make porn stars, has decided.
I don't only know how to make porn stars.
Here we go.
I am the queen of making at-home porn star martinis.
Okay. Well, so she has offered to make Chloe a porn star, so we're going to see how she likes an English cocktail.
It's not going to be the exact same.
It's not really the exact same, we don't have all the right
So we don't
ingredients,
have to
but
sew up.
we're going to do our best. Oh my god, oh my god.
You got your rum, your Highway 9 gin, shades of rosé gin, your vodka, your chocolate liqueur, and your coffee liqueur.
Bloody heck. So we're having American style rum.
It smells
I'm
like
used to the rums of the Caribbean. It smells good though. It's definitely a bit more whiskey-ish than rum, I think.
But yeah, as long as you inhale, hold your breath, swallow, and then exhale, it'll make it a lot easier and you'll be able to taste the flavor a lot better. It is very high proof.
It's very high proof.
This is a great
It's definitely more whiskey-ish, but it's very smooth. Like I don't feel too much burning or like, ooh.
Okay.
I'm a fan. So this is the gin.
the gin.
The Highway 9 botanical.
Oh, it smells very juniper-y. That's nice.
Yeah.
That's nice, yeah. Because then we're not having any tonic with this.
Yeah.
It's not too bad. Like, because sometimes I've had it like this straight, and I'm like,
Yeah, it's too much.
it's too
I
much.
don't like pumpkin.
For me,
This is shades of rosé, but it's gin.
it's gin. Yep, it's that red wine barrel.
It smells like sweet.
I keep forgetting to do the breathing thing. It's very hot.
Oh no! Oh whoa! That's stronger than I expected. Because it smells so sweet.
Yeah.
I reckon in a cocktail this would be good.
Very kind of florally, but definitely,
I know, I was sniffing.
I can't smell anything.
yeah.
This one has no smell. I'm scared. So it's vodka, guys. No.
It is very.
I only put literally a bit on the tip of my tongue, and I kind of. This tastes like a bad night out.
Oh, yeah.
Like it tastes like when you've had a night out and you say you're spinning, and your head's like,
Realize we paid for the extra
what the heck is this?
chocolate liqueur.
Oh, okay. So we're having a chocolate liqueur.
I like that.
Ooh, this is good. Splendid.
Splendid, yeah.
Cheers.
Yeah, exactly. It's nice.
Right, this is coffee liqueur. Let's see.
This is good.
Oh, I'm actually pleasantly surprised by
Yeah,
this.
that's really nice.
Coffee is by far our best side.
And
This is really
sweet as
nice.
well.
This is way better than a coffee Patron. Ugh,
Yeah.
gross. That's delightful. I heard it here first. You do some stuff.
I also need lime. Right, let's give this a go then. What the hell was that?
The vodka was in there.
Right, so it's about 7 p.m. and we are heading back to the hotel. The food tasting, which was supposed to be 3 hours, was actually 5 hours. Wait, yeah, set 5 hours. We ended up eating food and drinking. I am tipsy. Helena, on the other hand, is Liddy
Is in The
titties. She thinks she's in The Sims. But what I will say is that food tasting was absolutely unreal. 10 out of 10. Definitely would recommend. Stu was so good. He was really, really knowledgeable. He knew so much about Asheville. He's lived here for about 20 years, so he really gave us all the info on town. And now we're gonna head back to the hotel for a little while, and then we actually have another dinner tonight with some people from the Asheville Tourism Board. So that should be fun. I don't really know if we can eat any more food, but we'll make it work. Okay, guys. So today everything is going particularly wrong. I feel like it just took us way too long to get out of the room. I don't know why. I felt like I was rushing the whole time. Then the restaurant I wanted to go to is fully booked. Then my top broke, as you can see, much cleavage. And we need to leave in 30 minutes, so it's not going well. So I've been on MI8 on my little tour around the Biltmore house. So I just want to explain to you where exactly I am. I'm in the Biltmore estate, which is basically this massive, absolutely massive estate that used to be like a family home. It used to be the home of the Vanderbilt family. And me and Hel just had a little tour, we looked around.
around. It's quite interesting. It's giving Dungeons and Dragons, Harry Potter, Bridgerton all smooshed into one kind of vibes. It's quite interesting because the house is like kind of modern and stuff. So if you're a history buff, it's definitely a good place for you to stop if you're in Asheville. We are now at lunch, so we're gonna have a little light lunch here, and then we're gonna go for a wine tasting after, because you know your girl can't come here and not have no wines.
Okay, so I wasn't gonna bother showing you guys the food. However, this wing is lit. I haven't had any good wings yet, so the wings at Biltmore House, lovely. Basically, it has started to pour with absolute rain, so we just bought our ponchos. We're doing gang gang. Never a dull moment around here. Right, so we're in the car. We've got a wine tasting in about 1 hour. To be honest, the rain has really ruined this day. It's been ruined out here, because if you could see what's going on outside, my poncho ripped, my trainers are ruined, my top broke. This day has just been really daying. Alright guys, so our day at the Biltmore is over. It was, as I said before, like it was quite a sad day because it rained the whole time, so we couldn't really enjoy anything but the indoor. It was very busy despite that, so it's definitely a very popular destination here. Like we saw probably more tourists. Was that Bear?
No, this is from Sim.
Right, okay. Back to this story.
What's the most
In 1,000
Right, so our next stop along this trip is the Grove Park Inn, which is basically a huge hotel in the mountains, and underneath the hotel is kind of like I don't know what you actually call them. It's a
Keep
type
left,
of
then
hot
turn
spring.
left.
Apparently it has healing properties and stuff, but I'll give you some more information when I know what's going on.